I thought you did forget to lock the door.
It's locked.
But he didn't. He remembered it was a key. I really thought you were an idiot. But it turns out that it was the one who was an idiot. It was just them. It was not you who was the problem. I thought you too soon and laughed it through. I didn't know they used the key. I didn't know they used the key. Oh yeah, I know I'm wrong. I swear I didn't know. That's why I'm sorry, my bro. You know, I'm really sorry, my bro. I really shouldn't have talked to you too soon. But now no truth. Well, I'm sorry, my bro. You might have talked me quick, which may have made me mad. Whoa, yeah, but we are friends forever and I've been friends ever since. I'm really sorry before I have sinned. I wouldn't be the same without you. That's why I'm sorry, my bro. I thought I did forget to lock the door. Yeah. But I didn't. I remembered it was a key. It was the kid who did it after all. But I didn't. Yes, I didn't cause the main problem. I know I'm sorry, my bro. Even though I may lose connection to you, I will forget you, and my we done is all I knew. I didn't know they used the key. Oh yeah, and even though we're arguing for mistakes, I'm so sorry, my bro. Wow, oh wow, because I'm sorry, my bro. Oh wow, because I'm sorry, my bro. Because I'm sorry, my bro. Because I'm sorry, my bro.